Hello, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, remember to hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning viewer, I just want to thank you so much for watching my videos and liking my videos.
咁樣咯，
哇！
好食嘅，呢啲好食嘅。
你睇呢個炸起嚟嗨下，佢隻口特別。That's the head, Owen. You have to see the head of the fish.
好神奇嘅。
好神奇，好靚。
If you've never had the chance to try out this marble goby, which we call Soon Hock, it's definitely worth a try. It's a little bit more expensive than the fish I normally cook, but it's a special treat when Dad buys it fresh. This fish is super tender and sweet. The Chinese supermarket that my dad bought this fish from has already scaled and cleaned this fish for us, but when we bring it home, he likes to give it an extra cleaning to make sure all the scale is removed and the inside of the stomach is nice and clean. Before we steam the fish, we normally clip off the long fins along the back, the sides, and the tail. Once the fish is nice and clean, place the fish on a steaming plate. Turn the heat on high until the water comes to a boil, then turn it on low. Let the fish sit until it's thoroughly cooked. The easiest way to tell if your fish is fully cooked is to stick a chopstick through the thickest part of the fish. If it glides through easily, that means your fish is cooked.
犀利，睇佢塊面幾惡啊！
Remove the excess fish sauce from the steaming dish, then add your julienne ginger, green onion, and seafood soy sauce. Cover and steam for 2 to 3 minutes, then we're going to drizzle some hot oil all over the fish. I personally love to cook my fish this way because you can taste the freshness and the sweetness of the fish, and it's super healthy. I hope you get a chance to try out this delicious fish and simple, easy recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video.